I'm cleaning my shop finally, so don't mind the mess. We're not going to be in here. We're going to go get some hops, and we're going to show you what we do with them. We distilled earlier on an earlier video, and I'll leave the link up over here. But now we're going to package some and dry them. I'll show you. These are the ones on the clothesline, but they're already passed. See? There's still some good ones in here. See? No, we're gonna go see what this dog's barking at. What you got back there, Missy? Huh? Where you at? Oh, what you got? Huh? What you got? What's back there? Huh? Oh, a possum! You got a possum in there? Oh, I see him in there. Let's see. Here. You can see your face here. Oh, this stuff's up front. You see that baby in there? Hi! Oh, look. He's smiling at me. How are you? I'm not going to bother you. Actually, I'm going to make it so Maggie can't bother you, okay? All right? All right. Come on. Let's leave her alone. Come on. We don't care if the possums are around because they're actually good. Eat worms and bugs, and we don't have chickens, so come on. Hey, come on. Such a good dog. Yeah. Maggie! Maggie! Come here, over here. You left your football. What's going on with that? Thrown at it. Come on, we're going out to the house. Come see if there's any mice out here. So these are our hops, our cascades, our nuggets, and our Chinooks. Val is picking some Chinooks, and we'll probably try to keep those separate. We already have a bunch of cascades that we picked from the greenhouse, so we'll probably pick some nuggets. And we'll leave these for whoever wants to come pick them. So if you're local and you want to come pick them, free. And they smell very, very, very good, but they're ready. These are the nuggets. Now, we are blown away by how these are growing as far as the Japanese beetles go. Because check it out. These aren't too bad, but here. These were the ones that were down here when the Japanese beetles struck. And then it grew, and these ones where the beetles were gone. Probably when we put the traps out. But some of these are just beautiful. Look, these. This is probably somebody who was mowing here. Cut that. Ha! That was probably me. Now these are a smaller hop. But just a little bit sweeter. Oh my goodness, look at that. A lupin in there. Honey, look at these lupin in these. It's just crazy.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, look at some of these. See, they might be a little brown on the edges, But that's not what we're looking for. What we're looking for is that looping on the inside. Look how, I don't know if you can see it. Here, let's check out one of these. Much easier to pick when they're hanging, huh?
Oh yeah.
I wish it wasn't so hot.
It's not terrible. I mean, it's been much worse. Or it could be, 32 degrees, so I'm better.
Ooh, I'm snow blind. Hi. Okay, this is our drying room. This is where we're gonna put them. We've got the garlic in here now. Let me see. They feel great. All right, these are ones that we did the other day. Look. These are nice and dry.
These are cascades from the greenhouse.
Yeah, so we're gonna take these out and we're gonna put the new ones in. Careful. We're gonna put these new ones that we picked in here and let them dry. And then we're gonna take these. Where do you want to do these? In the house or out here?
That's up to you. If you're doing
We're taking these in the house where it's nice and cool because it's 1,000 degrees up here. And we're gonna vacuum pack these.